Um, this is a multi-step question, but at the same rate, 10 kilometers in 3 minutes, how long would it take the car to travel 60 kilometers? So this is kind of what we were doing before, but I'm setting up two different rates. I'm putting kilometers on the top and putting minutes on the bottom. So let's start filling it in. We could go 10 kilometers in 3 minutes. The question is, how long will it take? So that's the mystery number over here. We don't know how long it would take to go to 60 kilometers. But look at your proportion here, and you can say, what did I do to 10 to turn it into 60? Well, you multiplied by 6. Well, what would I do to 3 to turn it into its mystery number now? Well, whatever proportion you had, we had a change of times 6. I'm going to do times 6 down here. 3 times 6 means my mystery number is going to equal 18. 3 times 6 is 18. So again, what does it mean now that I've got this 60 over 18 for my M? It means I can go 60 kilometers in 18 minutes. All right, I'm going to move my face out of here. We're going to look at the next question. Saul draws the double number line diagram at the right. He says it shows that at this rate, the race car will travel 35 kilometers in 10 and a half minutes. Critique Sal's reasoning. Is he correct? So he's finding a different, before we were looking at 60 kilometers, he's finding 35. He built this number line, and let's say, did he build what he built? Is it correct? Does it make sense? So he built 10 and 3. He doubled 10 and 3 and got 20 and 6. He did repeat addition again. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, and 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. He did it one more time. 30 plus 10 is 40, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So everything, this line checks good, this one's good, this one's good, this one's good. But the one in question is this right here. Is this good? Okay? So that's the question. Well, is 35 the halfway point between 30 and 40? Check, it is. Is 10 and a half the halfway point between 9 and 12? So we have to do a little math. Well, 9 and 12, 12 minus 9, they're 3 apart from each other. And we just did this in the other problem. If I take 3 and I divide it in half, it's 1.5, right? So again, we did 3 divided by 2, and we get 1.5. So is this 1.5 away, so that we get another 1.5 away over here for a grand total from 9 to 12 to equal 3? Hopefully that makes sense. So is 10.5 that halfway point? Yeah. 9 plus 1.5 is 10.5. 10.5 plus another 1.5 is 12. So everything about what Sal did was spot on for him to find a good answer for the amount of time it takes to go 35 kilometers.